Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Configuring AOL Mail on your Android device is a simple process that keeps you connected to your messages while you are on the go. First, unlock your smartphone and find the settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear. Scroll down through the menu until you see an option labeled Passwords and Accounts or just Accounts. Tap on that section and then select the option to add account at the bottom of the list. You will see a list of different service providers like Google, Outlook, and Yahoo. Look for AOL in this list. If you do not see it, tap on Personal IMAP or Email instead. Enter your full AOL email address and tap Next. On the following screen, type in your password. If you use two-step verification, you might need to generate a special app password from the AOL website security settings first. After logging in, the app will ask for permission to access your mail, contacts, and calendar. Tap Allow or Agree to continue. You can now choose how often you want your phone to check for new messages. Setting it to every 15 minutes or using push notifications is usually best for most people. Finally, give the account a name like My AOL Mail and enter your display name for outgoing messages. Tap Finish or Done to complete the setup. Your emails will now start downloading to your Android device automatically. You can access them anytime through the default Mail app or the Gmail app. This method ensures you stay updated while away from your computer today and every day after.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.